It's time to announce the drone video of the month winner for March. Here's how the contest works. Every single drone video uploaded to AirVuz.com from March 1st through March 31st was automatically entered into our Drone Video of the Week contests. During each weekly contest, 5 videos are selected and 1 is crowned the Drone Video of the Week and given a $250 prize. Then, each Drone Video of the Week winner moves on to the Drone Video of the Month contest. The team at AirVuz votes, and then 1 video is selected to win an additional $500. Let's take a look back at all of the Drone Video of the Week winners from March. Iceland, land of fire and ice. O. Shuab.
Five, 4, 3, 2.
Indoor, a Shark Bloomberg FPV video, Manuel Basil. Manuel Basil, Manu X, Mr. FPV.
الشأن وهذا المحور على وجه التحديد لا تزال الخلافات.
The Land of Many Faces, Gadir Shar. My Mother is Ukraine, Ariel, Snakozar. We've put the links to the full videos in the description below.
Ми будуємо свій дім на землі, де жили і будували наші предки. Ми не в гостях і не в приймах. Ми молода родина зі славетної династії Київської Русі.
And now, the one being named the Drone Video of the Month for March and winning the $500 prize is My Mother is Ukraine, Ariel by Snakozar. Multiple-time Drone Video of the Week winner Snakozar brings us this fantastic drone video from his home country of Ukraine. The aerial footage was taken before Russia's invasion and shows the country in all of its glory. Seeing the beautiful landscapes and cityscapes while listening to the powerful narration made this an award-worthy film.
Але не можна паспортизувати їх українські серця, бо об'єднує нас Україна. Бо всі ми кажемо їй: ти у мене єдина.